Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we will be making brownies. Please follow my social media's links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now on with the video. Ingredients: 185 grams dark chocolate, 85 grams plain flour, 40 grams cocoa powder, 50 grams white chocolate, 50 grams milk chocolate, 3 large eggs, 275 grams golden caster sugar. Firstly, add your butter into a large bowl and cut it up into small squares. Then add small pieces of your dark chocolate into the bowl. Secondly, you need to get a large saucepan and put boiling water in it. Then put your bowl on top until the chocolate looks melted and creamy. Now add your flour and cocoa powder at the same time into another large bowl and sieve it in. Crack your 3 large eggs into a bowl. Then pour your caster sugar into it. Mix it until it has doubled in size and turns white. Then tip the melted chocolate into the mixture and mix it again. The next step is to slowly add the mixed flour into the mixture and gently stir it in an 8 direction. Now chop your milk and white chocolate into thin slices. Then mix them into the mixture. Now pour the mixture into a tin. All we have to do now is put them in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until it begins to come away for the sides. Here is the final product.